How to make a Google form public but not editable. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make your Google form public but not editable. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your browser and just search in for Google Forms. So once you search in for Google Forms, just click on the first link and then you will be redirected to this page. Just click on any of your random form if you already have one, and once you're inside here, just click on this option over here and just click on this three dot icon over here. As you can see, I can download because it has response. So to make it uneditable, what you can do is simply head over to settings and just click on this responses option and just disable this option. So once you disable it, you will have successfully prevented it from being editable. So let me just check it once again. So by clicking on here and clicking on save, as you can see, it's for everyone, the link. So let me just copy the link over here. So let me just copy the responder link and open it as a different responder. So in a new tab. So once I select any option and simply submit, as you can see, it's not editable. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.